If you're over 70, these 3 small changes could make a world of difference for your health. Are you following them? As we age, taking care of our health becomes even more important. Small habits that may have been easy to overlook in younger years can start to impact our overall well-being significantly. At 70, our bodies need a bit more support, and avoiding a few common habits can go a long way in ensuring a happier, healthier life. Here are 3 essential things to remember to avoid as you enter this vibrant decade, with easy solutions that can make a big difference. 1. Avoiding regular physical activity. Physical activity is vital for keeping both body and mind healthy, but staying active can sometimes feel more challenging as we get older. However, avoiding exercise can lead to weakened muscles, reduced flexibility, and even balance issues, increasing the risk of falls. The good news: staying active doesn't have to be strenuous or overwhelming. Try light, enjoyable activities like walking, stretching, or even water aerobics. Just 20 to 30 minutes of gentle exercise daily can improve strength, flexibility, and mood, helping you stay active and independent longer. 2. Ignoring hydration needs. It's easy to forget to drink enough water, especially if you're not feeling particularly thirsty. But dehydration can affect concentration, energy levels, and even heart health. It can also contribute to issues like constipation and urinary tract infections, which become more common with age. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Even small sips add up. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and soups are also great for hydration. Make it a habit to keep a glass of water nearby to remind yourself to stay hydrated. 3. Neglecting mental and emotional health. At 70, mental well-being is as crucial as physical health. Neglecting mental health can contribute to isolation, depression, and cognitive decline. Avoiding social connections or hobbies can also impact emotional well-being. To keep your mind sharp and spirits high, prioritize activities that bring joy, whether it's meeting with friends, playing games, or picking up a hobby you love. Even something as simple as calling a friend or engaging in a book club can make a big difference in mood and mental resilience. Solution and takeaway: remembering to stay active, hydrated, and mentally engaged are 3 powerful steps toward a healthier life after 70. Small changes, like adding a daily walk, keeping a water bottle nearby, and connecting with friends, can have lasting impacts on your quality of life. It's never too late to make these changes. Take a step today to support your health and happiness for years to come.